It's Thredup Thursday, and today we're going to open my favorite Thredup rescue box, the Thredup Fun Box. The Thredup Fun Box is really what got me started ordering rescue boxes from Thredup to begin with, and I love opening them for you guys. I usually open them once or twice a month, so today we're going to open this one. It, of course, is from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, which is where all the fun boxes have been coming from lately. Before we get into the fun box, I just wanted to talk about my last video. If you guys missed my video on Tuesday, I opened a Thredup mixed jewelry box and then also a jewelry jar from a thrift store I picked up in Dallas. And most importantly, I announced my 3K giveaway. I am giving away a Goodwill jewelry jar. Okay, so if you missed that video, make sure to go back and watch that and enter for your chance to win. And thank you guys again so much for supporting my channel. It really means a lot. I had no idea when I started YouTube that people would even want to watch me open boxes or talk about reselling. So I appreciate that so much. So again, if you didn't enter to win, make sure to go back and check out that video. So before we cut the tape on this, I always like to point out what I'm wearing. Today, well, I have on a thrifted blazer. I just picked this up. It's a Torrid that I got at my local thrift. I was super excited to find it. It's very kind of like a modern, just open blazer. So I've got that on. But my big inspiration for today's jewelry is this bracelet. I picked this up at a local consignment shop. It's kind of local. It's like 40 minutes from my house. Okay, so it's not super close. But I had spotted this, I don't know, at least a month ago, and I've been waiting for them to drop the price on it. It is a Taxco pearl and sterling silver bracelet. And as soon as I saw it, I fell in love with it. And I've been like just waiting for them to do at least the first discount, because they'll discount it every month, to go in and buy it because it was not cheap, you guys. But I wanted it so bad. So anyways, I'm sporting my new Taxco bracelet. And I have it paired with, of course, some pearls, you guys. So my other stunner that's around my neck is this gorgeous pearl and mother of pearl necklace that I got from Steven over at Sugar Vision. If you guys aren't familiar with his channel, he does a lot of live jewelry sales, and I will link his channel above so you can go check it out. I picked this up from him and I love it. There's a couple little faceted beads on it, and y'all know I love my faceted beads. So I threw on a strand of faceted beads I got in my last Goodwill jewelry jar. If you guys missed that one, I'll link that one above, okay? Along with some thrifted pearls. I've got pearls in my ear and some CZs, and of course, I have to have a headband on. I mean, who am I? Some faceted beads around my wrist I picked up at my local thrift. So feeling great and ready to open this fun box. So let's cut the tape and let's hope this is a good one, you guys. Okay. Hopefully there will be a receipt in here so we can see when I ordered it. I will say, I feel like my last few fun boxes have been kind of lightweight. This one's a little heavy, you guys, so I'm not really sure what is in here. Hopefully that's a good sign and we got some good stuff. The other thing that's interesting, let me move this jewelry jar. Okay. The other thing that is interesting is Mechanicsburg is notorious for just putting one piece of tape. This one had 3 pieces of tape. So I don't know, you guys. We're going to see. All right. Oh, I should give you guys first peeks. I always forget. Okay. Let's see here. Let's open the box and see what Thredup sent me, you guys. All right. Oh, there's my receipt. Let's check that first. And this looks like it has the Christmas tissue on it that they were doing. Yes, Thredup Rescue Box, a fun box, 10 items, $34 plus $9.99 shipping, and then whatever tax is in your state. This one I ordered on December 24th, you guys. Hello, I was ordering rescue boxes on Christmas Eve day. It's fine. Okay, here we go. Open the box. You can see the holiday tissue there. Okay. And it looks like they gave me a couple of pieces. So here we go. First piece. Laptop case. That's like all I can see on the top right now. It's in a really pretty green. I guess I'll go ahead and take a couple thumbnail pictures, even though there's not much to see here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, hopefully one of those thumbnails worked out. You'll already know by the time this video goes up. And let's start with our first item. So it looks like we have a laptop case. This is no surprise if you've been watching any recent Fun Box unboxings by Mosiso. Okay, they've been including a lot of this brand in the Fun Boxes in different cases and things like that. I believe it's an Amazon brand, but it's in great condition. Seems like it's like in a new condition. You can see the branding here also on the zippers. Y'all, I have like 4 laptop cases, so I really don't need this, but it's a really pretty color. And then the inside is like a little furry. Okay, it's really soft on the inside. So if anyone is interested in the laptop case, I do sell for my YouTube videos, you guys, if you're not familiar. So if there's anything in this box that you're interested in purchasing, I will either give a verbal price or I'll put a price on the screen. In order to claim the item, you just need to send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. It's that simple. $5, okay? So laptop case, I've gotten 2 other laptop cases recently as well. And you guys, we got another Mosiso. You guys, what the heck is this for? I don't know. What type of case is this? It's almost like cone shaped. I don't know. And then it's got a little top handle and these little straps here. I have no idea what this is used for. I may have to Google Lens this one and then give you guys some more information. Unless y'all know. Maybe you know, and I just don't know. I'm not sure. It is like padded, so I don't know. Okay, but it's in great condition. I will look up information about this to figure out what it's for and have a price on the screen. So another Mosiso in good condition. Okay, let me give y'all another peek now that we have those cases off the top. Looks like maybe we have like a scarf, some gloves, a belt buckle, a little baggy stuff. I don't know. That's what's so fun about these boxes. You never know what you're going to get, you guys. My last Fun Box, y'all, if you missed that one, you have to go back and watch it. Okay, I will link that one above as well. That box was like made for me. Okay, it was color themed because sometimes they'll theme their boxes. And it was in like really pretty pastels. There was butterfly stuff in there. I love butterflies. So that box was amazing. All right. So go back and check that out if you missed it. All right. This one, it is, maybe this is like a little wrap. Let's see. It is edged, okay, with black. And then you have a beautiful gray, black, and red plaid. Love this. This looks like it's a one size fits all. It is new with tags. It is 100% acrylic. The tag says that it was it says the comp value is $58 and their price was $39.99. I don't see a brand. Here's like the tag. Okay. So it's just like a wrap. Okay, so you can wear like a solid underneath it and then just put this over what you're wearing. This is great. It's in, like I said, new condition. All right, so if anyone is interested in this one, again, new with tags, we're going to say $8 on this. Love that. That's great. All right. I don't know. Should we go for the baggiest stuff? Is this a bag of hats? Okay. I love a baggie of things. Usually they count the baggies as one item. So we're getting multiples for one. We've got this hat, which by the way, you guys, it's super cold here in Texas. I'm assuming that wherever you are, unless you're maybe in Florida, you're colder than I am. We've got this really soft knitted hat. It's got a little fuzzy pom-pom on the top. I don't see a tag in this, but it seems really nice, you guys. So I'm not sure. A little beanie hat. Then we have a beret. I have gotten berets in these fun boxes before, and you guys, they've sold. So I don't see a branding tag, but it does say that this is wool. This is in a really adorable pale pink. Have I ever worn a beret? I may have to try this one out, you guys. I feel like I would look cute in this. Anyways, we've got a beret. Sorry, distracted. Really nice, not new with tags, but in great condition. So if anyone's interested in the wool beret, let's do this one for $5. I love that one. Okay, another beret. This one is in a navy. This one does have a tag. This says, inspired by fashionistas. The brand is XO. Now this one is polyester. Okay, again, brand new. This one we will do for $4. Okay, nice. That was fun. Okay, it looks like there's maybe some jewelry, a belt buckle. Let's go for the belt buckle. Oh, this is heavy. OMG. This is awesome. We have a waffle belt buckle. Okay, someone who loves waffles needs this belt buckle, you guys. This is hilarious. There's no branding on it. This is super quirky. I love this. It's very heavy, by the way. Okay, you've got your belt attachment here and then your notch here. That is awesome. If anyone is interested in the little waffle belt buckle, let's do this one for $4. I think that's awesome. Okay. Last thing over on that side is a pair of gloves or mittens, I guess, convertible. So you have the like fingerless fingers, and then you have the convertible top that can go over it to make it into a mitten. These are really cute, you guys. I don't see a tag, so I'm not sure. Oh, wait, here's one. 100% alpaca, you guys. That seems nice. And this is by the brand Artisania. Not sure if I'm saying that right, but these are great. Okay, so you've got alpaca gloves. They're in good condition and they're adorable. Let's say $5 for these. These are cute. Nice. Okay. Got a little baggie with jewelry. This is sweet. Oh, this is a lanyard. You guys, I need a new lanyard. Well, I just got a new one, but I don't know how happy I am with it. I got it from work, but I don't know. I always want to have a cute one, you know? This one's adorable. It's in a black mesh, and it's got these little rainbowed AB, like little faceted beads inside, you guys. And it's new with tags. And this is called Bead Landing, and it says it is a lanyard. I don't see like a brand name or anything on this, but it is so pretty. Okay, obviously new with tags. If anyone's interested in this one, let's do $4 on this. I love that one. That's very pretty. All right, next we have, oh, I have this, you guys. This is a little light ring that you can add to like your laptop, your phone. You know, it's portable. So it has a little battery on the inside and you charge it and you just clip it to like your phone. I use that if I have to hop into like a meeting or something and I'll attach it to my phone. I like keep that on me at all times. So, and I have this exact one. I think I can't remember where I got this from. We'll say $5. Okay, that's cool. New in the box. All right, we have another baggie of jewelry. They're little watermelons, y'all. All right, let's see here. Oh, these are adorable. Oh, I love these. These are so cute. Little statement earrings. You have little rhinestones that are going around in a circle in different colors at the top. Drops down into like a little bit of a resin or acrylic at the bottom to make a little bedazzled watermelon. These are cute. Let me make sure all the rhinestones are here. They are. These are so cute. Oh, and these are BAUBLEBAR. They are branded on the back, BAUBLEBAR. Those are awesome. Okay, so for the BAUBLEBAR watermelon earrings, let's say $5. All right, love those. last item, how did we go through that so fast? Okay, last item's a pair of socks. I love getting socks in the fun boxes. This is by the brand WAFFLE, and it says socks that speak from the soul. One size fits most. And they're donuts. You guys, I had kind of a little bit of a donut theme in, was it in my last box? Yeah. So we got more donut socks. On the bottom, it says, if you can read this, bring me some donuts. That's so cute. So I guess that goes on the bottom of your foot. So if you have your feet propped up, then people can like read what it says. So that's adorable. Let's say $4 for these. So cute. Okay. All right. So let's count up our items. This one was definitely a fun box. I don't necessarily think anything crazy that will like one item pay for the box, but everything was in good condition. We got, I think, our 10 items. We'll go through and count, and we got a good variety. So I'm happy. All right. We have the socks for 1, the BAUBLEBAR earrings for 2, the little portable light ring for 3, the lanyard for 4, the convertible mittens for 5, the waffle belt buckle, I love this, for 6, the bag of hats, okay, for 7, the wrap for 8, the Mosiso, I don't know what this goes to, I'll have to look it up, for 9, and then the Mosiso laptop case for 10. So let me know what you thought of this fun box. If you guys enjoyed it, I certainly did. Now, I don't think anything's going to beat the fun box I opened last week for a while, just because that box, I felt like I would keep everything in that box because I loved it. So that box was awesome. This one was also very good. Let me know if you've ordered one lately and what you think. All right, you guys, everyone have a great weekend. I will be back next week. On Tuesday, I will be announcing the winner of my giveaway and also opening another real Goodwill jewelry jar. And you guys, next Thursday for Thredup Thursday, make sure to tune in. I am opening a men's designer box. Okay, but this is the crazy thing about that designer box. I didn't actually realize when I bought it that it was very expensive, okay? The men's designer box, and this is off the top of my head, okay, is usually around $140, and you got 4, maybe it's 120, I can't remember, but you got 4 men's designer items, okay? So that box almost never pops up. Listen, Thredup doesn't take men's clothing, let alone, you know, then it has to be a designer item. So they don't pop up very frequently. I was refreshing, I saw it, and I'm like, oh, I'm going to grab it. I haven't gotten one in a really long time. And so I bought it. Y'all, it was $300. Didn't realize that when I bought it. So I paid $300 plus because I had to pay tax and shipping for 4 items of men's designer clothes from Thredup. Last time I did a very expensive designer box, it did not pay off for me, you guys. Okay. Make sure to tune in next Thursday, y'all. We're going to open that box and see what Thredup sent me. I'm totally nervous about it. Okay. So anyways, have a great weekend. You guys make sure to go enter that giveaway, and I will be back next week. Bye, y'all.